Have you ever noticed your dog suddenly breathing slower, right when your thoughts won't stop racing? Dogs naturally sync their internal rhythm with the humans they trust most. So when your mind speeds up, they do the opposite. They slow themselves down to anchor you. Studies show dogs adjust their breathing, pulse, even posture based on your micro-expressions and tension patterns. They don't just feel your anxiety, they respond biologically to counter it. So when they settle at your feet and breathe like the world is safe, they're not being sleepy. They're lending you a rhythm you can fall into. If this made you appreciate your dog a little more today, breathe with them and don't forget to like and subscribe for more truths they can't put into words.